right? So you as a wholesaler, you should know the ARV formula. Does anybody know the ARV formula? I'm sure a lot of people do. But I use the ARV formula, honestly, is just as like a step-by-step guide. So the ARV formula is called the after repair value. This is the price that you're going to be selling it at once the rehab's done, right? Or whoever's going to buy it's going to sell it at, right? So, and then ARP is after repair value, just so anybody doesn't know. But so what you're going to do is the first thing that you do for the ARV is ARV times 70%, or maybe even 65% minus repairs equals your Mayo minus your wholesale fee. Fee equals sell price. Equals offer price. Something like this, okay? I'll show you kind of what it looks like. So the ARV is how you get your comps, right? So we talked about you need comps in order to figure out your ARV. This 70% is called LTV. This is what lenders are going to be loaning on the deal. The LTV is called loan to value, right? So this is what the lenders are going to be loaning on the deal. Most of the time it's like 65 or 70% LTV. Right now it could be a little bit less if it's a hard money lender, something like this. All right. The repairs, right? We already talked about this. This is your estimate or your budget. The Mayo is called your maximum allowable offer. Okay, this is what you're going to end up offering on the deal. Okay, and then your wholesale fee is what you're going to minus out to get your actual price. Okay, so that you can make some money on the deal. All right, this price right here, this is like the rehabber profit. Okay, so let's just say real fast, we can calculate this out in practice. Let's just say we find a house that's worth that we can sell it at $200,000, and we know the repair estimate is going to be like $40,000. Okay, let's just say that. That's it. Those are the two givens that we know. All right, so just take your calculator, super easy, and you just do 200 times 0.7, which is 140, minus the $40,000 for the repair. So 100,000 is what the rehabber is going to would buy. I would buy this for $100,000. As a wholesaler, you would buy it at, let's say I want to make $10,000 on it, so you would have to put an offer in for 90. All right, does that make sense? Right, so let's just say it's rehabber pay, not profit, payment, Mayo. Okay, so if it's 200,000 for the ARV, tell me if y'all can see that. Yeah, 200,000 times 70%, right, is 140K. The repair values are 40K, so it comes out to 100. I'll put this down. Okay, it's 100K. This is the Mayo. This is what the rehabber would pay. All right, rehabber pays the Mayo. Okay, you are the wholesaler, so you want to make 10K. This is your fee for the wholesaler, right? So your Mayo, your maximum allowable offer is 90K. Okay. So essentially, when I think about like what I need in order to make a decision on whether or not I want to buy the project or not, buy the deal or not, I know I need comps, I need a repair estimate, I need to know what the wholesaler fee is, right? And I'm utilizing the ARV formula in order to gather all this information. All right. Does that make sense to everybody?